Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm so excited. We're gonna be doing our nails again. I got these press-on nails from Kiss. Kiss press-on nails are honestly one of my favorite press-on nails to get. They seem to last the longest. But these are for Halloween and they're so cute. I had to get them. But I just picked these up at my Walmart. So these ones actually have little Halloween designs on them. This one says trick or treat. This one says happy Halloween. And this one just has some like little bats on it, but they're supposed to glow in the dark. So super cool. I'm excited. These are the impress nails, which means that they already have a sticky back to them. Like they have a sticky tab on them, so you don't need nail glue. So these ones do not come with nail glue. Now, I'm gonna leave the sticky tab on the back of there, but I'm still gonna use nail glue. We're not just gonna use the sticky tab because that's not gonna hold. So I actually do have like a little Kiss pink gel nail glue that came from another kit that I just haven't used. I set it off to the side, so we're gonna use this today. I'm also going to use this rhinestone glue to top these nails. One of my girls on here told me you can use a nail dip it kit to cover these and make them a little bit stronger, because that's my issue. Like I can get them to stick to my nail, but the tips of them and stuff start breaking off. Like the last set that I did from Slay Glam nails, all the tips pretty much broke off on me because they just weren't that strong, and I don't want that to happen with these. So I'm just going to go ahead and start. Now I already did put the Beetles nail glue on my nails because I'm not going to file my real nail. My real nail is already very thin, so I want no filing done to them. So I just put a coat of this on, and then I wipe them off with a little bit of rubbing alcohol so that way they're not sticky anymore. I'm just going to put a little nail glue on my nail, and then I'm going to put a little nail glue right on top of that sticky tab, and then I will put it in place. And I'm going to hold it down for a good 30 seconds or so. I also really like to use super glue to put my nails on with. I feel like super glue holds a really long time. The Kiss nail glue is really good as well. Apply this onto my nail. Apply this onto the back of the Kiss nail. Just press it in place for at least 30 seconds. Make sure you got them on straight. Don't put them on crooked. Same thing. Just apply a little bit of glue to my nail. A little bit of glue here. So how was everybody's weekend? My weekend's been super busy. We have been redoing my bathroom. I'm doing like a little mini bathroom makeover, and I am filming it so that way you guys can see like the process and what we're doing. It's turning out really cool, and I can't wait to show you guys. I really thought we was going to be done though. We literally spent Saturday and Sunday working on it and still didn't get it finished, but that's okay. I really just don't want to like rush it because I don't want to like mess up what we got going because it looks so good. Again, just going to apply this one. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply the rest of them. Okay, so I got them all applied. I'm telling you, girl, press-ons is where it's at. They look so professional, but so affordable, so easy to do. So now I'm going to take my rhinestone glue, and this was just me going the extra mile. You do not have to do this, but I just really want them to last. I'm just going to take my little brush. This is the brush that actually came with this rhinestone glue. Do you see how thick it is? It's like a super, super thick gel. So that's why I was like, maybe this will help sturdy them up a little bit, make them just a little bit stronger. Really wish I had some nail dip. I think that is such a great idea. Okay, so before I cure this, I'm going to take my no wipe top coat, and I'm just going to kind of like smooth out over top of that rhinestone glue. Okay, now I'm gonna cure this for like 90 seconds. Okay, so I got those cured, and I'm gonna do the same thing for this side. I'm just going to start layering up this thick gel, going back with a little bit of no wipe top coat, and then I'm just gonna cure for 90 seconds. Okay, girl, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just file any edges that need to be filed. Okay, girl, so that is the completed set. I love them. I think they look super cute. I love how they say trick or treat, happy Halloween. They got the little bats on there. Very professional looking, very affordable. Again, I absolutely love Kiss press-on nails. If you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask down in the comment section. I will absolutely get back with you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!